Alright, so it came in this packaging so it would absorb damage in the box. Yeah, it's like a burrito. And here it is. So usually they include some accessories or stuff that they give you credit on their website when you're buying the phone. They give me like $150 credit since I'm buying the phone. So screen protector, case, and a fine tag. So I'll put all of these aside for now and we'll go for the phone. I like the simple design, but as you can tell it's already very small, so there's no charger included. It'll most likely be just a cable. You just open up the tape on the back. Alright, and here we are. Whoa, that's the back of the phone? Oh. Hold up, what? Oh, okay. I didn't know they started doing this. They have like a little paper on the back of the phone. So you see the back first. I like it. That color is very similar to the one Apple had before. And honestly, I think it looks really nice. And for the front, oh, there's another paper on the front. Wow, it looks huge. And finally, it'll be the stickers all around the device. I'm trying to peel it off. It's kind of stuck pretty well. And lastly, there you go, all shiny. All right, so let's turn it on. And I gotta say, I really like the flat sides to the phone. As you can see from the top right here, the sides are not as rounded as they once used to look. They're pretty flat on the side right here. So it makes it easier to grip the phone. Let's see the stylus. Yeah, so it's just a black stylus that comes with the green. Also, as you can see, the bottom of the box has nothing in it. The top of the box, however, that does have all the manuals and stuff in it. It also has the SIM ejector tool, and if you look under here, there's also the charging cable. And going through the setup process, you can see there's dark mode right here, and it looks really nice because you can't even tell where the sides start and when they end. So all the borders look invisible. You can see it right there on the white mode, and once I turn it off, and now you can't tell anymore. Alright, and that was an easy setup process. Here's what it looks like again from the back, and the sides are all flat. And so just expect soon to have a new video coming out for the camera and the full review on it. This is just an unboxing, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and peace.